Welcome back. Let's now move into task C, explore AI-based technologies. This task builds on everything you discovered in task B, where we reviewed Sato and Company's customer service performance, or in your case, if you're choosing your own workplace, you know what I'm talking about. And you have identified key issues like long response times, declining satisfaction levels, or maybe something else. In task C, now you will explore possible AI-based technologies that can improve these areas. You can continue to use your chosen workplace or the case study, but make sure if you have chosen case study in task B, you continue to choose case study here as well. If you have chosen your own workplace, that should be in alignment. Um, I'll stay with the case study, Sato and Company, so you can clearly follow along. So let's get started with the question C1, where you are being asked to identify three broad type of AI-based technologies that could improve customer service for the company. Now, you're not naming specific software yet, just general categories like chatbots or sentiment analysis tools, etc. So here, what you're supposed to do, revisit your task B or the case study if you have used section C and D, which shows their slow email or the data that you have gone through, what were the issues, challenges, and think about which AI technologies could fix these issues. Write one or two clear sentences describing what each technology does. I've given a quick example over here just to give you a quick idea. What I've done is I've chosen AI chatbots, and I've also used, as I said, you don't have to specifically name the technology yet. It's just the type of technology that can help me resolve those issues. So I've chosen predictive analytics and sentiment analysis tools over here to help with. Now, if you are actually choosing the technologies and if you want to pretty much name them over here, what you can also do, you can take the screenshots of those chosen tools and you can paste it over here. However, there is no such requirement over here. You're just supposed to name and explain what technology you're going to use and how they are going to help you in resolving the situation. Please make sure that to reference your response clearly, where you have drawn this information from. If you have drawn your information from the learning resources, then refer the learning resources. If you're drawing the information from external, please make sure you provide the proper in-text referencing as well. Now that we have identified three categories of the technology, we'll go one step further in C2, where we will research specific AI tools and write a short report comparing them. In question C2, it's more about investigating AI solutions based on what we have chosen. So you need to research now and compare 4 AI tools or software platforms that could support customers' experience and solving those challenges that we have identified. And just given some specific points for you, which are pretty much the similar points in simplified form. So for each of the tool, you need to identify what it does, at least 2 advantages or 2 good points, 2 weak points, and how it can actually help the company. Okay. Over here, they have given you a report structure. And remember, it is in line with task B's information that we have identified. So here, because we are following case study, we are looking at the Sato and Company's goals. They were pretty much to respond to customers faster, solve issues on first contact, and raise satisfaction scores. Based on that, we'll be choosing 4 AI tools that could help achieve those goals. And in this particular template, which they have given, I've just completed one section of the template so you get a fair idea of what to write and how much to write. So they've given 4 different templates for 4 different technology. Keep it really simple. The name of the tool, key features, what we are going to choose from that particular tool, advantages, any drawbacks or limitations, and how this is going to achieve one of the goals, or pretty much, all the three goals if you can find something. Uh, Once again, because you are gathering the information, you need to provide a proper referencing note uh, of where you have drawn the information from about the tool. So about if you have drawn the basic information from the case study, of course, here, or if you, along with that, if you have drawn the information about the tool, please make sure you also add the in-text referencing. So depending on which tools you use, you'll be filling these four templates and you'll be providing the specific referencing for each of the tools. And that is exactly what you require to complete task C. By completing task C, you will have identified three categories of technologies. You have investigated four real AI tools. You have linked each tool to Seto and company's customer goals. Now, it can be three tools focusing on three different tools focusing on three different goals, or two tools, four tools, having solving the similar problem, or you can choose two tools which are almost similar, solving all the problems, but then you have a comparison between each one of them. So these findings, what you have gathered, the credible evidence and applied, um, along with you have also provided the correct referencing. These findings now will prepare us for task D, where you will develop a proposal recommending the best AI solutions for improving the company's customer service. So in the next video, you will now create and present a proposal with me. Stay tuned.